Good morning, students. In our previous video, we have discussed about the algebraic expressions like coefficient, factor, terms, like terms and unlike terms. On the behalf of that topic only, today we will continue with the same, and today we are going to learn how to add algebraic expression. So today we will learn about the addition of algebraic expression. So students, whenever we are going to add the like terms, so we have to add their coefficient. When we add or subtract their coefficient, then term also according to that only add and subtract. For example, with the example I am going to explain this one. Here is a number 4xy, 7xy and 5xy. Okay students, first of all we have to observe their variable. We have to observe their literal factors. If the literal factors are same, variables are same along with their power, that means these fractions are like fractions. And these terms are like terms. Whenever the terms are like, then we have to add only their coefficient. If we add their coefficient, that means we have done the addition of full. So how to add this one? 4xy plus 7xy plus 5xy. Okay students? 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. So what we did here, first we add only their coefficient 4, 7 and 5. Which coefficient? Numerical coefficient. So here we add only the numerical coefficient, and after adding the numerical coefficient we get the answer 16. And as we know, all the variables are same, that's mean like term. So directly we can write here 16xy. Okay students, now we can do the addition students in two ways. First we arrange in horizontal manner and second in a column way. So this addition we have done in horizontal way. Okay, and second is column. How we can add in column? We write this one below the each one, 4xy, 7xy and 5xy. So this method called column method of addition, and this is the horizontal method. The answer we will get the same. Here is 16xy. So like this students, we will add the algebraic expression. So let's take more example. To take the more example, we are going to discuss our exercise 6.2. Number 1. Question number first. Add the following. First part, 24xy, 19xy and minus 4xy. Student, question number first fully based on monomial. This is the first part based on monomial because they have given only the single term. And students, whenever we are going to add the algebraic expression, only like term can be added in like terms. So unlike terms we can't add. If the terms are given unlike, then we will write them separately. We will not add them. Okay. So take this one. So how we will write? Along with their sign. First 24xy. Then second plus 19xy. Then plus, this is the negative. So we will keep this one in bracket, minus 4xy. So first of all, do the addition of this two, 24 plus 19. 9, 4, 13, 2, 3 and 4. 43xy plus minus 4xy. Now student, one is addition and the another one is, one is positive number and second one is negative number. So whenever the positive and negative number come together, we always take their difference. So 43 minus 4, that means 39xy. From here we get the answer 39xy, and because the 43 is a positive number and bigger number, so we will take the sign of positive only and we get the answer 39xy. So let's take one more part from this one only. Whenever the terms are unlike. Here I am taking one example of terms given unlike. That is our sixth part. In sixth part they have given 4x square y. Second one, minus 3xy square. Then after minus 5xy square. And at the end 5x square y. Okay students, now first observe the terms. We observe x square y and x square y. These two terms are like and these two are like. So we will arrange them separately. So first of all, 4x square y. Okay, 4x square y. Then here is sign minus 3xy square written. Now students, whenever you are going to arrange in column, so like term can be right below the like only. So here is 5x square, so we will write below the 5x square y, 5x square y, 5x square y. Then after 3xy square, then minus 5xy square. Now we have arranged this one in column. Okay, both sign are same, minus 3xy minus 5xy. Whenever sign are same, always we take their addition. So 5 plus 3, 8 x y square, and the sign is same, the sign will come minus. Here 4 plus 5, 9 x square y. Now students, we have done addition here. Don't be confused because these two terms are unlike. So we will write it as it is only. We will not do anything. Now this is our final answer. Okay, I repeat again. In sixth part, they have given two terms, two unlike terms. First is 4x square y and second one is minus 3xy square. So first of all, what we did here, we arranged like term below the like one. Then after we have taken the separate addition and these two having the same sign. So 5 plus 3, 8x. The term is xy square. So xy square will come. Here is 4x square y. So 5 plus 4, 9x square y. So this is the sorry, this is the final answer. And the rest part of question number 1 is like first part only, because they have given all the parts same as a like term. So that part students for your practice and you have to do by yourself. Let's move to the second question. Second question also is based on addition only. Question number 2 also add the following. So they have given, now this time they have given in the form of algebraic expression instead of they have given single term, because they have given a one algebraic expression and we have to arrange according to like term only. How? So first of all, write the question. The question is x square plus y square plus 2xy. This is the first algebraic expression. Then after second one, 3x square plus y square minus 4xy, second one, and third one is given x square and y square. Okay, so the first step, first of all, arrange all the algebraic expression according to the like term in column way. So first we write the first algebraic expression, x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now observe the second, 3x square, right below the 3x square, y square, right along with their sign y square, minus 4xy, minus 4xy. First we have arranged, now the turn of the another one, x square right below the x square, then y square, sign plus. Now we have arranged all the three algebraic expression in column. If any term is missing, so that is blank, no need to write any zero. Okay, this it will remain blank. Now students, this is minus and plus. So here I am going to separately explain this one. Whenever 2 plus with minus 4, how to solve this one? 2 plus minus 4. 2 minus 4, answer is minus 2. Why? Because whenever the positive and negative number comes together, we always take their difference, and their difference is 2, and the value of 4 is bigger, so the sign will come minus. So the difference of these two coefficient is minus 2 and the term is xy. So the xy will come. Okay. First solve 1, 1 and 1. So 1, 2, 3. So here will come 3y square. Sign plus 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So this one is 5x square plus 3y square, then minus 2xy. We did the first part of this one. Whenever the question is given in the form of algebraic expression, first question we have done, in that question they have given single term, but in question number 2 they have given in the form of algebraic expression. Nothing different in that, only the one thing we have to remember, always arrange the term according to the like term only. If the terms are unlike, then we can't add them. So it's very compulsory the term should be like. Okay, let's take some other part from the same question. Now it's third part. In third part they have given x square y plus xy square. This is the first algebraic expression. Minus 11x square y plus 10x y square. Third one, minus 10x square y minus 11xy square. Okay students, now the first step, arrange in column. So let's start this one. X square plus xy square minus 11x square y, x square y, then plus 10xy square minus 10x square y minus 11xy square. Now we have arranged, do the addition. Okay, 1 plus 10, 11, 11 minus 11, 0. Okay, have you observed this one? 11, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 minus 11, 0. Same, here is 10, 11, 1 minus 11, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20x square y. Observe this again, 10, 11, 21, 21 minus 1, then 20. From here we get the answer, minus 20 x square y. Okay students, from here we get the answer. If we write the answer finally, so we will write 20x square y. Okay students, now today we have discussed addition of algebraic expression. Or on the behalf of today's discussion, students, you have to solve the first 2 questions of exercise in your math register along with the all parts. Okay, all parts you will include in your register. Thank you students.